This video is for basic level to understand how to create shading colors in common free 3D applications like Blender and Spline. First of all, we will teach the way to make a smooth shaded Blender material. First, right-click to select Shade Smooth to get rid of the wireframes. Second, go to Shading panel, click a new button on right-hand side, create a new material. Name it as you like. Next, go to Shading panel at bottom, type Shift+A, search layer weight. Then, drag a line to any place and drop it. In search bar, type color ramp. A gradient bar panel will appear. Next, drag a line from color to base color. Now go back to the color ramp panel. The black area is the color inside while the white area is the boundary color. Meaning if you want to make a yellowish sphere with reddish edge, simply change the color bar to yellow to red. The blend value is to adjust smoothness. That's it. The method to make shading color in Spline is different. First, go to Material panel at the right, we need to create a new layer. Change the new layer to depth, and then drag down underneath lighting. In lighting, if we want to make the shade red, go to select red color, and then change the mode to Lambert. Next, change the color to yellow. Go back to depth and switch the mode to mask. In this case, the stronger the lighting, the stronger the shade. One extra thing is that the depth represents transparency.
Thanks for watching. Please follow Angry HK from Instagram and this channel for more updated info.